Apple Vision Pro offers a unique experience, but is it worth the hefty price tag?
This guy, Rich DeMuro, wearing it on his head this morning as he walks in and joins us live. How's the demo going?
It's great. I'm just watching Masters of Air right here in the corner as I talk to you guys.
How did you not trip? Did they tell you where to step up?
You can still see through it.
I can see everying.
You can either
see you, I can see
you can
Chris.
either make it
You look
fully,
cool, too.
or you can make it transparent.
I can see Mark over there.
Mark. It's a good look.
So as you can see, I got a little tether right here. This is your battery pack, which, I actually thought that would be a bigger issue than it is. It's really not. I mean, this will be something that they'll get away with in the next, version of it.
Is it heavy? And do you have isn't there an additional strap that you can add that helps?
You can put one over the top here. I've not used that.
Okay.
It's a little bit uncomfortable, a little heavy at times, but right now it feels kind of great. This is it. This is Apple Vision Pro. It's been on sale for just over a month now. And while it is a game-changing piece of technology, at this point the experience is still quite limited, especially for such a high price tag. Apple Vision Pro is a headset that combines augmented reality and virtual reality. You can see apps, videos, and games superimposed on the world around you, or turn a knob and be completely immersed in a virtual world. It's both incredible, expensive, and limited in some ways. For starters, the headset is heavy and can be uncomfortable. There's the constant pull of a tethered battery pack. Here's one thing they don't show in the commercials. What you look like when you take this off. Apple nailed the software. You control everything with eye tracking, hand gestures, Siri, and hardware buttons. It all works perfectly and feels like the future. However, popular apps are still sparse. There's no Netflix, no YouTube. Entertainment is excellent. It's like watching on the largest screen you've ever seen. The picture bright and sharp, the audio loud and clear. Apple calls Vision Pro a spatial computer, which means you can work inside by setting up multiple screens to check email, type documents, surf the web, and more. You can connect a separate keyboard and mouse using Bluetooth, or use your Mac and have your computer screen floating in midair. This experience was neat, but I kind of find my laptop more straightforward. FaceTime uses a feature called Persona. You use the Vision Pro to take 3D pictures of yourself. It stitches those together to make a moving version of your head. It's strange, but Apple continues to improve this. Overall, Apple Vision Pro is just at the beginning. Apple truly created something out of the future. Hopefully the price will get more affordable, so the experience will be more within reach. Okay, so now I'm just moving my video screen around here, and I'm gonna make it, okay, so now I'm watching a movie on probably the biggest screen I've ever seen. It's maybe, from this camera all the way over to the other side of the set, so however big that is, and it's crystal clear.
Can you see through it though?
I can't see through the screen, but now I gotta get this a little.
Oh my God,
okay.
I can see it.
Well now, okay, there we go. I'm gonna move it over there so I can actually see you guys.
I think what you're watching is inappropriate.
So make no mistake, this is incredible technology with a bright future, but Apple Vision Pro is $3,500, a price that seems to be holding it back at this point. Also, sharing a Vision Pro with family members or guests is not the easiest process. All right, if you want to read my full review, you can go to the website. It is there right now, richontech.tv.
They kind of look like oversized ski goggles.
Yeah, that's kind of what it feels like.
Yeah.
I was not expecting them to be that expensive. It's a hefty price tag.
It is a hefty
Yeah.
price tag.
Commitment.
It's early technology.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, it's like the old VCR. You spend like $1,500 for one, and it'll be like anything else. Eventually, I think it'll just be almost like contact lenses. Instead of that, we'll just put in
Take a
little
picture,
lenses.
you guys.
Except what's the one that failed? Google Glass? Oh, I can see your eyes. Wait, I can see your eyes. Is that a picture of really your eyes?
So I'm taking those. That's a picture of my eyes. That's called eyesight. So it has, this thing has like a bunch of cameras on it, so it's looking at your eyes and then projecting them out.
Okay, that is bizarre.
That's kind of creepy.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye, Rich. With your creepy eyes.
What are we talking about in the next hour?
Yeah. Sending all those frequencies to your brain's got to be good for you. I don't know. Rich doesn't even answer me anymore. She's just like moving on. You're good like my wife. Just ignore me. I'll stop.